What is Artha? Is it just wealth or is it something deeper? A means to fulfilling life. Today we uncover the rational and practical understanding of Artha, its role in Sanatandam, and how we can implement it in modern life. Artha is one of the four Purusharthas in Sanatandam, alongside Dharma, Kam, and Moksha. It is commonly translated as wealth or material prosperity. But it is more than that. It includes security, success, resources, and means to live a purposeful life. In essence, earth is the foundation that supports dharma. Without financial stability, it is difficult to perform one's duties, help societies, or even pursue higher spiritual goals. Many believe material wealth conflicts with spirituality, but Sanatandam teaches that wealth is sacred when earned and used ethically. The right way to acquire and use artha includes dharma led wealth and through honesty, hard work, and integrity. Wealth with purpose. Use money for personal well being, family, society, and dharmic causes. Avoiding greed. Artha should be pursued without harming others or exploiting resources. Giving back. Practicing dhan, charity, ensures that wealth benefits all. The Ardhashastra, written by Chanakya, teaches that a strong economy leads to a strong society. A nation thrives when its people pursue Artha responsibly. Applying Artha in modern life. How can we implement Artha in our lives? Education and skill development. Knowledge and skills are modern day wealth. Financial planning, saving, investing, and managing wealth wisely, entrepreneurship and innovation, creating jobs and opportunities, benefits society, work with purpose, aligning one's career with one's dharma to ensure both success and ethical satisfaction. Artha is not just about accumulating money, but about using wealth as a tool for greater well-being. Learning about Artha, where to start, Bhagavad Gita teaches balance between material and spiritual pursuits. Arthashastra by Chanakya, a guide on economics, politics, and leadership. Upanishads and Smritis discuss the right way to add and use wealth. Modern financial education, investment strategies, business ethics, and wealth management. True learning comes from applying these principles in everyday life. The rational scientific perspective on Earth, economic stability, and well being. Research shows financial security leads to a better quality of life. Psychology of wealth. Money should serve as a tool for happiness, not an obsession. Sustainability and ethical business. Wealth creation should benefit society and nature. Sanatana does not reject wealth. It teaches that earth, when balanced with dharma, leads to happiness and progress. Conclusion. The part 2, a prosperous and meaningful life. Artha is not just about riches, it is about creating security, opportunities, and a stable foundation for a fulfilling life. When pursued with dharma, it leads to success, satisfaction, and spiritual growth. Wealth is not the enemy of spirituality. Misuse of wealth is by following the ethical principles, planning wisely, and using all resources for the greater good. We can create a prosperous and world rooted in righteousness.